Getting really creative and finding different ways to do things is the best way to do it. My name's Bronte, I'm from Northern California, and I'm an interior designer. This is our apartment in the Arts District of Los Angeles, and we've been living here for 9 months. When we first moved in, all we had was a mattress on the floor. So I was really excited because this felt like a blank canvas for me to play with. So the biggest upgrades we did are the DIY bookshelf, and then I painted the cabinets green and switched out all the hardware, and then built the desk. Since it is an open space, I wanted to be really intentional with how we laid it all out. I knew I wanted to have some sort of space divider, but I didn't want to just do a blank wall. I wanted to add a fun design element to the space to make it our own. So Jordan's dad was able to actually get all the lumber and supplies and build it in under $500. Perfect for more storage, for firewood, for decor. So with the desk, I knew I wanted to make something myself, so I found a slab of butcher block from my local slab yard, and I found filing cabinets, and I literally just put the butcher block on top, and it's actually really sturdy. Fireplace is kind of in a little corner, and I thought it'd be cute to turn that area into the master bedroom. This little nook is where we come to unwind. We have a cocktail, we put on a record. So I knew that I really wanted to infuse natural elements into this very industrial loft to make it more homey and feel like us. I was so excited that I was able to redo the cabinets, so I went with evergreen because I felt like it was the perfect earthy green to tie everything in. I love living in this apartment because there's a lot of space for hosting, so we can have family and friends over for dinner, parties. I just love that I was able to customize it and add some personality to it. Each piece of furniture has been curated for this space. I would say 90% of it is secondhand. I didn't want anything to look too clean. I wanted the furniture to be a little beat up. A lot of people are hesitant to do a bunch of work on their apartment because it's a rental, but to me, your home is one of the most important places because that's where you live. That's where a lot of people work now. So you really want to make it inviting and peaceful and a reflection of you as a person. You can find ways to upgrade your space that's very, very affordable.